Hi, welcome to the eDropIn Speaker Studio. My name is Sage, and I'll be talking to you about your content and how to rock your presentations online. So, first things first, I want to make it very clear, eDropIn is not doing online webinars or Zoom meetings. What we're offering is 4K recordings of you delivered in a very engaging format online to millions of users around the world. What does this mean in terms of recording? It means that we come with professional equipment to record you at either your location or your office, wherever you feel comfortable, or if you'd like to do so, you can come to one of our locations in studio in Oakville or in Cambridge, and we can record you there as well. This means that you don't have to bring anything with you, just bring yourself and smile for the camera, and let's talk about how you're gonna structure your content next. To deliver online, the format is a little different than in person. What we have experimented with is the duration of your content online has to be shorter in order to keep people engaged. This is why we recommend a modular format. What are modules? Basically, imagine a lecture that's 1 hour broken into 2 separate modules, which are 30 minutes each. What this allows is the user to pause the video in between the modules and come back and watch it when they're ready again. This is usually the best format for online, and we always recommend to our speakers to try to break down their slides or break down their presentation into 30-minute modules. Next, keeping it simple. Using the right template online is super key to your PowerPoints and your presentations. What we have is a presentation template that we can provide to you through eDropIn that has no animations, which are distracting, and also has a very dark format, which makes it very easy to be able to view it online. Following this template will give you the best engagement possible for your content. Lastly, voice and style. It is super important that you're able to engage with the audience through the camera and their computer or phone at home. To do this, we coach you on how to be expressive and how to deliver your content in a way that connects with the user. That is the experience we want to deliver at eDropIn, and we want to work with you to make sure that your online courses are just as vibrant and exciting as your in-person courses. Now, you may be asking, well, how do I see what this presentation will look like? Well, super easy. Go online right now to edropin.com, and you can watch one of our free videos online to see exactly what the module structures looks like. Moreover, if you want to watch our core content, let us know and we can give you access to that, so you can also see what one of our paid courses would look like. This is the best way to really get an understanding of how your presentation will be formatted, so you feel most comfortable when we either come to you or you come to us for the recording. Lastly, I want to talk about your brand. It's super important that you have a unique brand online, and eDropIn wants to shape that for you. We want to help build that connection between you and your audience, because we want you to reach not just thousands of people, but hundreds of thousands of people around the world with your content. We know you're an exciting educator. Let us showcase you in a way that connects with people online. This way, when you get to the maestro level, we'll be offering you around the world travel as well as in-person courses, which will have big audiences and a lot of reward for you in terms of teaching and feeling good about that. So thank you for your time. If you have any questions about any of this content or about how to become a speaker, please feel free to reach out to us at hi@edropin.com, and we'd love to answer any of your questions. Thank you.